Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You are watching a weekly link up with me, Kate Stichina. As usual, we discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with the technical analyst Petar Yakimovic and forecast for the moves of popular currency pairs. The euro bears have not found an excuse this week to topple the euro-dollar pair. However, for a brief moment, the pair sank to the lowest level since the beginning of this year. The ECB did not venture to cut the key policy rate, thus pushing the euro-dollar pair into the previous trading range. Hi Petar, next week the market is anticipating the event of crucial importance, a policy meeting of the Fed Reserve. What trajectory do you expect for the euro-dollar pair ahead of the policy update from the US Central Bank?
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar currency pair, what I found is there is a critical support at a 1.1108 level. This level will be critical for this currency pair because if the euro trades below this key support, and we see that there is a acceptance over the time below this level, this will mark potential new down leg on the euro dollar. But from the other side, if there is no breakout of the 1.1108 level, we might see the bullish movement on the euro versus US dollar. And what I found basically according to a daily time frame is there is a rate of change flip up on that indicator, which is basically a sign there might be a rotation in the future in the further rally. The key upward target and resistance for the buying side is basically set at the price of 1.1200 level. So again, since there is no breakout for now of this key support at 1.1108, my advice to watch for buying opportunities on the euro versus US dollar with a target at the price of 1.1200.
The pound-dollar pair is also trading under heavy pressure. Do you foresee a correctional climb?
On the British pound versus US dollar, it's a basically similar situation, but we got the bullish divergence on the 310 oscillator, which is a good sign that there is a potential rally on the British pound yet to come. And what I also find is there is a potential U-turn. This is something that we call also the failed test of the swing low, and this is also another potential good pattern for the upside. The key pivot resistance on the British pound versus US dollar is set at the price of 1.2557. So pay attention to this level, because in case of the upward breakout, the 1.2557, there is a big chance and that pound will go and test 1.2670. So again, bullish divergence on the 310 oscillator, potential U-turn on the daily time frame. So pay attention to this for the further upside in the upward target at the price of 1.2670.
The Australian dollar is among the currencies which are losing in value amid weak fundamentals. The Aussie is losing steam after 2 rate cuts and hints from the Reserve Bank of Australia about further monetary easing. Could you please explain the dynamic of the AUDUSD pair from the point of technical analysis?
On the Australian dollar versus US dollar, what I found is that basically there is a test of the upward trend line, and this upward trend line will try to act like support, and it is a support in this currency pair. So the trend is still up because we got a higher high and higher low based on daily time frame, and as long as the Australian dollar is trading above the above the 0.6910, I will watch for buying opportunities. And there is also rate of change flip up, which is we got a few high to low down days, so there is a good expectation that we might see some rally on the Australian dollar US dollar. And the major target is basically the swing high, the previous swing high on the daily time frame, which is set at the price of 0.7080. So watch for buying opportunities. Upward trend line is on the test, and the Australian dollar is trading in the upward trend.
Thank you, Petar, for your trading recommendations. See you next week. You have watched the Link Up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stihina and Petar Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading. See you soon!